hey Neil, don't you want to have a flapper vent? And I would say no. And now some areas might have a specific code for it. Our area doesn't, but this is just bathroom air, and this box vent right here is well capable of venting it out. If you have a dryer vent, you don't want to vent into something like that, but dryer vents should rarely ever come vertical. But bathroom vents and kitchen vents, I have stopped using flappers because of all the callbacks that they cause. And so people say they really want them or whatever, and I do my best to talk them out of it, because the flapper can fail. The flapper can stop flapping up and down. Also, the way that many of them are designed, the flapper will let water in the corners just because of the way it's designed, and I can get into that in another video. But I've had them leak, and I've had them fail, not flap open anymore, and also nesting of birds and squirrels. So between all those things, it's just much easier to put in one of these. It's got a screen. It's going to let the moist air out. There's no mechanisms, and there's very few seams. The flapper vent has more seams and more areas to fail. So plus you have to secure this to the bottom of the flapper, and then that can fall down. It's a very difficult thing to ensure that it's installed correctly, and it's never going to slip off of the male end of the flapper.